I gotta admit, this is actually quite hard to ride. I hadn't even opened it up yet. Got a bit of a misfire there though. Keep out the puddles. Oh my god, that's just crazy. That's just spinning. Fuck it, don't stop. It don't stop.
Too much.
That's quite scary. I'm shaking. That power where that comes in is just fucking ridiculous.
Yeah.
It's just spinning.
Yeah. But on the dirt, I don't think she will.
Not there, because
there's no grip on that.
No, there's no grip on it, but it's just because it's flat, you can actually open it up. Now, conditions aren't great. It's a wet day in sunny Wales. Tarmac is very slippery, and as soon as you come into the power, it spins. I was doing that in third gear, and I was wheel spinning. We've got knobbly tyres on, but still. Oh, whoa, Pete's on the line.
Well, I don't think she won any revs.
Yeah. Hand on helmet. That was good.
So this is Paulie. Practice starting. The CBR. 180 kilo, 100 horsepower. Racer. Helm, hand on your head. Wait for the stone to drop. It's quick enough. What do you reckon? What's it like to ride a fat girl?
She rides pretty well for a fat girl. We want this a bit higher because we're only going up in second gear to start, and to get your foot under it's a bit of a bend down.
Bend down.
Bend down. So we adjust this bar here. raise it up a little bit, that'd be good.
I'll take a piece off that panel there then.
And maybe a piece off that panel so you don't kick that with your toe.
Case saving.
Case saving, yep. That's take a little bit of weight off as well, Peter.
Yeah.
All weight saving.
Only be 179 kilo then.
Yeah. Right. Whoa! So more rev. More!
The fucking thing, it's got no power.
Right. Ready? Ready? Are you much in it? No! Where are we? Ah, there we are! Oh no. Oh Pete, what's happened? Oh, smoke ring.
Should we go and put some more fuel in it?
Yeah, maybe. Just see how much you can put in, innit?
Yeah.
See how much we've used.
Yeah, alright.
That was going well, aren't it?
I know.
The Honda CBR 600 DRZ hybrid. In all the glory. Back girl. Back bird, back girl.